So, you're thinking about moving to the Crystal Coast. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 neighborhoods that are in Newport. They're all waterfront communities, and I'm also going to show you one of my newest listings. If this is your first time on the channel and you want to know everything there is to know about living on the Crystal Coast, then subscribe below, tap the bell for notifications so that you can be the first to know about the current market on the Crystal Coast. My name is Walt O'Berry with Real, and I get calls from folks just like you every day. So whether you're moving in 9 days or 9 months, feel free to reach out. My contact information is in the description box below. I look forward to helping you make a smooth move to the Crystal Coast. Okay, let's jump into the neighborhoods. First up, we have Cannonsgate. Cannonsgate is a resort-style community with tons of options. First up, you have the Manor House. The Manor House has Charleston-style porches, which is the perfect backdrop for receptions or even a corporate event. It can accommodate over 400 guests. The swimming pool is attached to the Manor House, which is one of the most popular features of the neighborhood. Other amenities, I had to write these down, y'all. There's tons of them. You have tennis courts, a playground, you have a putting green that you can work on your short game, a boat ramp, fish cleaning station, marina with deeded boat slips, which is very nice. 2 boat storage areas that are $400 a year. You have a community pier with gazebo, golf cart paths, and walking paths. The homes that are near the water in Cannonsgate have all sold for over $1 million. The HOA dues in Cannonsgate are $1,700 per year. The second neighborhood we're going to take a look at is called Bogue Watch. It's also a waterfront community, also gated. It has a clubhouse and pool with chase lounges and umbrellas. There's a marina boat ramp with easy access to the ICW. There's a fish cleaning station. They have a kayak launch there. There's an observation pier and picnic pavilion. The HOA dues in Bogue Watch are $1,300 per year. Homes near the water in Bogue Watch sell between $750,000 and $1 million. And last but not least, we have Emerald Pointe Homeowners. This is where my newest listing is located, 274 Live Oak. This is a more relaxed neighborhood. It's not gated. You basically turn down Red Barn Road and it kind of turns off to the right, and it's at the end of Live Oak. It has a reverse floor plan, so the kitchen is on the top floor. It also has an elevator, so you get your groceries out of the car and you can put them right on the elevator and shoot them up to the 3rd floor where the kitchen is located. Also, if you have a family member that can't do steps very well, they can use the elevator. So it's very convenient. Another aspect of this home that I think you're gonna like is that each bedroom has its own bathroom. So if you have 2 or 3 families that want to go in and buy this home together and kind of share it, then each family will have their own bedroom and bathroom. There's water views, sunsets, sunrises from the 2nd and 3rd floor decks that are there that overlook the water. Those are the 3 neighborhoods that I wanted to share with you in Newport. Which one could you see yourself living in? Cannonsgate, Bogue Watch, or Emerald Pointe Homeowners? Let me know in the comments below. Also, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.